Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do ramen noodle challenge, which is a Korean noodle and this is extremely spicy. So without a further ado, let's get started. Welcome back. So this ramen noodle is very spicy and let's do it. Let's start the challenge.
It's really spicy, guys.
I can see on your expression that you are sweating already.
Spicy and delicious as well.
How you're eating is shocking.
So, what's the winner prize today? This is a challenge, right?
There is no prize.
I'm done. I can't have it.
So he lose the challenge because I'm still eating. I'm done. It still was very hard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next challenge, what we should do, please suggest us and please comment below. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.